Look at me driving. Finally, a real boy.
So this is a Sunday, and this is after the rain, so there's nobody, very few people out on the street.
The funny thing is, it might look like I'm driving or that I'm riding on a standing scooter or
Darren
on a
is
Segway.
I'm in the back filming this.
Yeah.
So we just depart from our home, and right now we're heading to the bank.
Look at me turn left, everyone. I'm gonna turn left into traffic, the Vietnamese way. We just turn right into incoming traffic. Yep. See?
Yay!
I survived.
He survived.
And if you want to know a secret, we're going out after the rain, because after the rain there are so few people on the road that I'm less scared to drive after the rain. So I wait till the rain clears the traffic and then I scoot along slowly. Another secret is you will never see me pass anyone.
Okay, you're looking at the park near our house. It's one of the biggest park that we have. And as you can see, that's the end of the park.
Yeah, it's one square block.
It's one block.
And that's the most trees in the whole city, but we're so lucky to live next to it. I even get to walk. I get to walk through it on my way to work, so it's so nice that I get to walk through a big park. We're stopping at a traffic light. He's not stopping at a traffic light. Nor are they. Ah! It almost looks like he died, right? From that perspective,
Yes,
you wouldn't
yes.
think he got hit.
Oh my god. Okay. Let's keep going.
Yes, you get to watch everybody pass Darren.
Yay! Another successful turn.
But turning right is easy, and look how few people are on the road right now. This is
Nobody.
amazing. No wonder I'm feeling so confident. Or as they oh, he went fast. I'm sure I was scared at that moment.
Okay. So what you're looking ahead is
The
the
back
cathedral.
of, yeah, it's
Back
like
of the
Notre Dame.
cathedral.
There's another park. It's actually all one big park,
Mm.
in a sense. And now I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do it.
It's the green light.
Yes. And another person wonderfully passing me. I passed the biker, the guy on the pedal bike. I did pass that person, so.
I didn't see it.
Yeah, it was a long time ago. There it is, the
That's the
cathedral.
cathedral.
When on my second date, I met Trin there, and then she
Mm.
introduced me to her friend. And I
It's
thought
actually under construction right now. Usually you get to see the whole
we're gonna see
thing.
the birds flying really soon. I remember this. There they are.
Yay! That was nice.
It was nice, and there's a big post office on the other side.
Mm.
And this is our bank, the
Yeah.
Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corporation.
HSBC.
Yes.
So we're gonna stop here, and then I'm gonna wait here for Darren to do some withdrawal.
As a married couple, we have a joint bank account with HSBC. Oh, they're a bunch of scoundrels. And especially because they weren't even open. So I went in and they weren't open. We drove all this way
Darren's
for
back.
nothing. It's too bad you can't call an ATM and ask it if it's open. It's a great business idea.
No.
To be able to call an ATM and ask if it's open.
No. They probably have a hotline. We just didn't call them.
No, but ATM machines don't work.
What's the point?
This is a great idea. We should make these commentated videos all the time. You're so interesting and funny. Moving on.
well,
So you guys
only
can
you.
notice that a lot of the roofs are orange. They're kind of orange tile roofs. This is the old colonial style. So this building has an orange tile roof. You kind of can't see it. There it is. You can.
Yeah.
We're gonna go through. We've seen a lot of those.
I don't know.
The
Old
green
timey place.
taxis.
When we get
and
to
there's
the,
white and green taxis.
do I have the white outline?
There's me, Tom, and
I do, right?
know about this
Well,
street.
turn.
So this intersection is one block away from where my previous
you
job,
can go straight.
so I always
No, I
worked
know.
down.
Straight all the way till we get there. The
Train
question
has
is when
never
I get
really
there.
worked
Right
as
on the left.
downtown as me.
Yeah.
Downtown! Maybe she'll turn the camera.
We'll take it.
There's a mall.
Sorry, I
Or she can
remember.
show us the zippers. I'm so impressed with the quality of your camera to
Quite
show
nice.
the little pixels.
I remember like hiding my phone now at the time because somebody was really staring at me filming.
Everyone gets to see what it looks like when rain falls.
Alright, it's back.
I'm moving. Oh, we were moving.
Yeah. So we're looking at the mall.
Yeah. Wow. This is and that is the old hotel where we were going to have our wedding. This hotel. It's actually the coolest hotel in Egypt. And next to it is the Opera House. Where we would have seen-
We were supposed to turn left here at the Opera House.
No, we did not.
Oh, we're heading to
Oh, it's on Highway Drive. Shit.
nice.
Shit, sorry. Sorry, I better because that's what we
Darren
went
was
last time.
terrified with left
Did you
turns.
realize that person was going the wrong direction?
I just realized that too. Yeah, I saw that.
And not only was he going the wrong direction, but he stopped to use his blinker the wrong direction. like so
Well,
brazen about going the
yeah.
wrong direction. This is the downtown.
That's a mosque.
Tourists. It's not for Vietnamese people.
Are you sure?
For very few Vietnamese people. And that's the little grocery store we're going to.
And then, go onto the.
It's like we live in a rainy, dirty Rome. Our little
Where?
skaders. But everyone will think that there's no traffic, but there's
Okay.
a ton of traffic. Oh, wait.
Now we're in the supermarket.
And,
Oh yeah, I have a good time looking at different things. Everything, many of the imports are from Europe. A lot of European imports are in Vietnam, and American imports. Nobody wants all
Actually,
that
we
high
should buy
fructose
coffee,
corn
too.
syrup. So American junk can just
Yeah, but it's running out.
stay in America.
It's still running out. Oh, maybe there's more of it than in the
It's the high
container.
fructose corn syrup thing. I feel like a psycho saying that, but it really is.
You can always get more.
No, but it's so
Here
expensive
we are
there.
looking
This
for
is
coffee.
so much cheaper.
And just like a toddler, I pick the coffee that has a picture of an animal on
While
it.
we're here.
It's like I still like the marketing techniques that work for
It really tastes
Small
all the
children
same to
still
me.
work on me.
I don't remember us getting any coffee.
We did.
Try
We're gonna
this
buy
one.
the coffee
Okay.
with the owl on
Just
it.
try
I
this.
remember very clearly.
Zara bean.
I'm holding
Where is
it.
it?
It's in the cabinet.
30% off. Oh, should we buy any wine for this event tonight?
Wine, and I'm asking, should we bring wine to this party? But what party we were going to? Oh, somebody's party on our roof, right?
Oh yeah, for towels. Farewell party on our roof.
Picture and touching
Let's
stuff.
go with the vegetables.
Like a
Trin.
typical consumer.
I didn't get it.
And then I think I'm probably singing at this point. I should be singing. If I know me, I've gone off on my own to go singing.
You know the vegetables are on the second
And
floor.
at this point, I remember I was